Compound words. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Anirodh. Hello friends, in this video we will see compound words. When two or more words are joined together, a compound word with new meaning is formed. The compound word has its own meaning. Moon plus light, moonlight. Key plus hole, keyhole. Pan plus cake, pancake. Toothbrush, brush, toothbrush. Tea plus pot, teapot. Pop plus corn, popcorn. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Sun plus flower, sunflower. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Pine plus apple, pineapple. Water plus fall, waterfall. Hand plus bag, handbag. Basket plus ball, basketball. Fish plus bowl, fishbowl. Water plus melon, watermelon. Jelly plus fish, jellyfish. Egg plus plant, eggplant. Cup plus board, cupboard. Drum plus stick, drumstick. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Head plus phone, headphone. Foot plus ball, football. Star plus fish, starfish. Flower plus pot, flower pot. Bed plus room, bedroom. Ear plus ring, earring. Play plus ground, playground. Fire plus man, fireman. Snow plus man, snowman. House plus boat, houseboat. Lady plus bug, ladybug. Space plus ship, spaceship. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.